setting goals and accomplishing them. Welcome to this short meditation focusing on goals. We are going to begin by embarking on a journey within, getting in touch with our body. Get comfortable and sit down with straight back or lie down. Feel the weight of your body pressing down against the surface you are on, and observe your body settling in. Good. Starting off with our feet, tense the muscles in your feet and focus only here. Tightly squeeze the muscles in your feet. Hold for 4 seconds. And now, let go completely. Do not tense any longer. Go up to your calves now and tense both of your calves, tensing all the muscles here. And now let it go. Now go up to your thighs and tense your quads firmly. Feeling all this tension in your thighs. Good. You can let it go. Focusing on your pelvis and hips, tense this area as much as you can. And let it go. Let's bring our focus to our belly. Activate your abdominal muscles, making your entire stomach firm, and feel all the tension. And let it go. Great. Now, let's tense the hands. Make a fist with your hands and grip as hard as you can. Hold the tension and let it go. Up to your chest area now. Tense all the muscles around your chest and back. Flex your shoulders and all other muscles around this area. Holding the tension. And relax. Now, tense your face. Make a face and tense all the muscles in this area. Holding this tension and let it go. Very good. By feeling your body and connecting to it with your mind, you create a unity between the body and mind, which generates deep relaxation and state of creativity. It is then that we pull our goals towards us with the universal energy that flows through everything. Now, you are in a deep alpha brainwave state, completely relaxed. Mind is open. I would like for you to now set 2 goals for yourself. A short-term goal that is accomplished in the next 2 or 3 months' time, and a long-term goal that is accomplished in the next 2 to 3 years. First, set the goal that you want to accomplish in the next 2 to 3 months. Vividly see yourself achieving this goal in a couple of months. Take note of how it feels to achieve your goal. Picture your surroundings with as much details as possible. See the colors being very bright and all the action happening around you. How does it feel in your body when you accomplish this goal? Let this emotion of accomplishment fill you. Good. And now, set a long-term goal that you will achieve in the next 2 or 3 years of time. See yourself achieving this goal. Look around and see all the little details around you. People, objects, nature, or whatever you see. Picture it as vividly as you can. See your friends and many people congratulating you on your accomplishments. Notice how it feels to achieve what you desire. Let this feeling grow and fill you up completely. And now, slowly and gently start coming back to your surroundings. When you are ready, you can open your eyes. Give thanks to yourself and good job today.